Hello there! In this first lesson of Learn English, Hindi and Manipuri, we have some interrogative sentences starting with the word what. Here, the first capital letters H and M within the brackets stand for Hindi and Manipuri respectively. I shall read out the English and the Manipuri sentences. Hindi is the official language of India, so you must be knowing better than me. For non-Indians, read the words as they spell. Comment below if you want to tell me anything or if you find it useful. Come on, let's start with the first interrogative sentence. What is your name? Nangi naming kari kaubage. What do you do? Nang kari taubage. What are you doing? Nang kari taurino. What are you? Nang karino. What makes you happy? Nang karina harauhalino. What makes you sad? Karina nangbu nungay handribano. What happened? Kaidaurage. What are you saying? Nang kari hairino. What is this nonsense? Kari kanadabada. What are you drinking? Nang kari thak ino. What are you eating? Nang kari charino. What are you chewing? Nang kari sairino. What are you reading? Nang kari parino. What is your aim in life? Nangi punsigi pandam karino. What do you want to do in life? Nangi punsida nang kari tauninge. In this lesson, let's learn some interrogative sentences starting with the word why. The first one. Why are you crying? Karigino nang nakapido. Why are you laughing? Karigino nang na no ido. Why do you come here? Karigi sida ino. Why are you angry? Nang karigi saurino. Why are you so happy? Nang karigi aduk haraurino. Why do you hate me? Nang karigi aibu tugatcharino natraga nungshidrino. Why did you leave me all alone? Nang aibu ithanta karigi thamlamlibano natraga thadok amibano. Why are you so naughty? Nang karigi aduk yam ngausinnaribano natraga oktribano. Why are you so good to me? Nang karigi ingonda aduk yam faribano. Why is this world so unkind to me? Masigi sangsarsina ingonda asuk thaujan bidribasi karigino. Why do you cheat or tell lies? Nang sinthiriba karigino natraga ꯑꯊꯤꯕ ꯋꯥ ꯉꯥꯡꯉꯤꯕ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣ? Why are you daydreaming? ꯅꯪ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯪ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕꯅꯣ? Why are you farting? ꯅꯪ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯠ ꯃꯄꯤ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯏꯕꯅꯣ? Why did you run away from me? ꯅꯪ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯆꯦꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯤꯕꯅꯣ? The last one. Why are you worried? ꯅꯪ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯋꯥꯔꯤꯕꯅꯣ? Okay, let's read from the beginning. Why are you crying? Why are you laughing? Why do you come here? Why are you angry? Why are you happy? Why are you so happy? Why do you hate me? Why did you leave me all alone? Why are you so naughty? Why are you so good to me? Why is this world so unkind to me? Why do you cheat or tell lies? Why are you daydreaming? Why are you farting? Why did you run away from me? Why are you worried? In this lesson, let's learn 15 interrogative sentences, starting with the word how. The first one. How do you do? Nangbu kamaina taurige natraga taurino? How are you? Nangbu karam taurige natraga palige? How old are you? Nang sahi kaya surage? How is your life going on? Nangi punsi kamaina taurige natraga chatlige? How do you want to or want to do it? You can say, how do you want to do it? Or, how do you want to do it? Nang sibu kamaina tauge haino. Nang sibu kamaina tauge haino. How did you do that? How did you do that? Nang adubu kamaina taukige. Nang adubu kamaina taukige. How is my curry? Aigi yansangse kamaina tauge. How do I look now? How do I look now? Aigi shaktam se or fivam se hauzik kamaina tauge. Phazai natraga phazade, yengba yadre natraga yam phazare. Adugi question dunida. How do you want to or want to express your love for her? How do you want to express your love for her? Or how do you want to express your love for her? Nangi nungshibadu mangonda kamaina phongdokke hairino. Nangi nungshibadu mangonda kamaina phongdokke haino. How do you see that? How do you see that? Madu nang kamaina urino. How should I tell her? How should I tell her? Ay mangonda kamaina hayu haino. Ay mangonda kamaina hayu haino. How is my new look? How is my new look? Aigi anauba shaktam se kamaina tauge. Aigi anauba shaktam se kamaina tauge. How can I love you? How can I love you? Aina nangbu kamaina nungsidoino? How did you steal that money? How did you steal that money? Nang adugi paisadu kamaina huralakino? Nang adugi paisadu kamaina huralakino? How may I help you? How may I help you? Aina adombu karamna mateng pangjagani? Aina adombu karamna mateng pangjagani?